Mm. Hey!
Tell me that a kid in the 50s wouldn't love this. Hot dog, dessert, chips, soup, milk. Maybe milk wasn't in the picture, but you know they had it for lunch. Whole milk, cream of mama nummin, cream of asparagus soup. Oh, like Mom used to make, huh? My father loved asparagus. The soft canned asparagus. He would have loved this. This is a Campbell's lunch from 1957. Chips, dessert, hot dog. I never buy the small dogs. I always get bun length. But I don't think bun length would have fit in that little skillet. Thanks, Mom. Pear, cottage cheese, and maraschino cherries. Thanks, Mom. I don't think I like cottage cheese with pear. This is fun. Come on. What kid? Well, the kids might not like that. Huh. But they like the dog and the soup and the chips, I tell ya. I'm just saying. Next! Yippers, it's the last of the stew we made. Best stew I've ever made, man. I wouldn't think that just broth, puree, kitchen bouquet, and MSG would be so good. Oh, it's our third leftovers. All gone. Oh no, I have a little bit in the freezer. Then it's all gone. What a day! This is my dinner. I'm gonna eat my dinner. We'll be back to talk about the cookware. Next! Good Thursday. Well, they're not new anymore. And I've added some tiny little scratches to them because of my freaking coil burner. Little tiny scratches. Hey, hard to see. Oh, one cool thing. Some of the Ekcoware that are out there are very indented in the center, to where you actually see a bulge on the inside. These are barely indented. There's a little indent. You can see the shadow line. And I like that because it probably helps with warping. It helps with warping, so they're less likely to become spinners. That little bit of inside indent will stop them from becoming spinners. I really like that about them. It's just very tiny. You can see that little indent, not like some of them that are really indented. They're very lightweight. They may be lighter than Revireware. I think they feel about the same. I haven't weighed them. If I were a housewife in 1955, I wouldn't mind that they were lightweight. Boy, they have really nice polish, don't they? I don't think Revireware were as nicely polished. I'm just saying. I said that a lot today. Look at that shine. And there are little bits of scratches now. Very sad. What a gift set, huh? These were sold on eBay as being from the 1960s. I find a printed catalog that actually shows the gift box, and it's dated 1955. So there's no mistaking these. Talk about pre-68, huh? They really are pretty. But I gotta show you something real quick and then we'll go. It may be a little dusty. Here is an earlier model. This is a 7-inch. Here is an earlier 7-inch without the lip. This measures 7 inches to 7 inches from the outside of the lip. This measures 7 inches to the edge of the pan. This is much bigger, much more cooking surface, and it's heavier. You can really tell a lot by the sound. Anyway, hey, thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.